startup is trying to bring back extinct species of animals. Imagine being able to walk around and see things like a woolly mammoth or a Tasmanian tiger. Colossal Laboratories is a group of over 100 scientists around the world that are working on a de-extinction process. But in order to reverse the past, they have to first invent the future. Let me show you how. Take, for example, the woolly mammoth. These giants used to roam the Arctic regions of our Earth for hundreds of thousands of years. Woolly mammoths were actually still alive when we were around, and this is evident from cave drawings like this. Step 1 to de-extinct species is actually to find its recipe, or its DNA. Luckily for woolly mammoths, that was not really a problem, because the sub-zero temperature have kept a lot of woolly mammoth DNA intact for hundreds of thousands of years. Colossal Laboratories has over 60 different DNA fragments for woolly mammoths, which they are piecing together. But what do you do with the pieces that are still missing? Well, that is step 2. You find the closest living relative. For the woolly mammoth, that's the Asian elephant. The two mammals share over 99.6% of their DNA, and with some incredible science, geneticists can artificially create the missing fragments of DNA. This research was pioneered by Dr. George Church, one of the founders of Colossal Laboratories and one of the most prominent geneticists. Step 3 requires a lot of embryology. Back to the Asian elephants, because these adorable giants are going to serve as a surrogate to the little tiny, and you're not ready for this, woolly mammoth baby. This little cutie will be 9 to 11 feet tall when they reach maturity and over 6 tons. But don't worry, they only feed on berries and plants. Now the big question here is not actually reintroducing the species to their natural habitat and trying to restore the damage that was done from extinction, but more so building on hundreds of different technologies that this project will require in order to protect the biodiversity that we still have. At the moment, experts predict that 50% of the world's species are going to be at risk of extinction by the year 2050. For anyone out there wondering, will we be able to bring back one of these guys, walk around the Earth again? Well, sadly, we're a few million years late because we don't actually have any dino DNA preserved. Sorry about that.